Can you guess what maintenance fees go for here in Kakaako? This is David Buck with Harcourts Island Real Estate, and we're going to do a little video today of maintenance fees here in Kakaako. I did a video a few months back talking about maintenance fees here on Oahu and how expensive they can be. Well, if you're specific to Kakaako, because that's where all the action is right now, today there's 359 condos on the market in Kakaako. And actually, take it back, 355, because 4 of those are actually parking stalls or storage lockers at Moana Pacific. So of those 355 remaining, 139 of them have maintenance fees that are under $1,000 a month. And then 161 of those have maintenance fees between $1,000 and $2,000 a month. And then 34 of those listings range just between $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And then 25 listings are north of $3,000 a month, and there's actually 3 condos on the market in Kakaako with maintenance fees over $6,000. So the highest of which right now is going to be a penthouse at Anaha, which is directly behind me here. And the grand penthouse there, the maintenance fees are it's unit number 3800. The maintenance fees are $11,229 a month. And then meanwhile, the most affordable maintenance fees here in Kakaako is it going to be at the block at Waimanu, and that's going to be more of an affordable project where you get something under $300,000, and that's going to be for a studio just several hundred square feet. And there you can find maintenance fees at only $129 a month. So that's literally more than like a tenfold. The lowest end of the spectrum is going to be $129 a month for something that's more affordable at the block at Waimanu. And then the most expensive is going to be for that that penthouse 3800 at Anaha, going for $11,229 a month. However, if I were a betting man, without running the data real deep, I'd say most of the maintenance fees here in Kakaako are going to run you between $1,000 and $2,000 a month. So you're going to want to plan that out. And if you have questions about real estate here in Kakaako, feel free to give me a call at 808-371-3509. Mahalo.